My name is Tom Knight. I'm the Literacy Coordinator for Cardiff City FC Foundation. The lads have come down to the Cardiff City Stadium today for the Dads and Lads event run by Literature Wales and Cardiff City FC Foundation. What the aim is today is basically to mark Roald Dahl's centenary this year, and the boys are going to create a poem using that influence of Dahl, and the poem's going to be all about Cardiff City, exactly the same as how Roald Dahl did when he came down and watched the game.
My name's Mike Church. I'm a writer doing a lot of projects with Cardiff City and a lot of work for Literature Wales and their centenary celebration of Roald Dahl's 100 years. On this project at Cardiff City, I work as a writer, trying to enthuse youngsters and adults to get involved in writing and enjoy writing and have fun writing. To get young people inspired with poetry, which is often quite a dull subject and turns a lot of people off, using things like football, where they realise that the application and the attitude to football is pretty much similar to the attitude and application for writing. So you've got to be creative, like Messi or Ronaldo or Gareth Bale, and you've got to be creative like writers like Dylan Thomas or Roald Dahl, and it's fusing those two things together to show that enthusiasm, that energy can be just the same for writing as it can for playing football. I think today has been about bringing young people and young lads and their dads to come and enjoy a bit of football and a bit of poetry together and fuse those two things together, and I think they've enjoyed it. I hope they go away from today inspired by football and inspired by writing and putting something together that they can perform and present.
The fact that the boys have written a poem about Cardiff City, that's just inspirational, and I want to take that poem with me into schools to show kids that, look, these boys came in, they hadn't done poetry before, they came in a day, this is what they developed, we worked together, and this is what we got out of each other because that passion we had.
Cardiff waits. The action's about to start, playing with our heart. What's in a name? This beautiful game. Not just the players, the supporters too. Me and you, marked for life, branded and tattooed. Bluebird, redbird, city as one. Our city is blue. We'll always be true. It belongs to you. The chessboard pitch, a beautiful lawn, checkered and cut. 4 hours mowing every day so the lads can play. I wish I was paid what they're paid. A pitch relayed for £50,000. The amount of work for one game, all those people behind the scenes. This never-ending story. To be number 10, and then again, the calm before the storm. A chanting cacophony of sound echoing round the ground, wall to wall, ayatollahs, the usual suspects. All those mixed emotions. To be picked or not to be picked? That is the question. A press room for those pressing decisions. A laundry room, treasures telling their story, washing away the past. In this vast stadium, I'll be there. And the roots remain. 1927, that famous 11, forever blue. Juggling for joy, the community, the fans, your city, your club. This is Cardiff, your Cardiff. We are a city as one.